So welcome you all to join the session. We will talk today CPCC, और इन्हें श्री वाव भी कहा जाता है। फिर ये वन ऑफ द आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया, ये ही वॉज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ बिहार। ये हमारा 1937 से लेकर के 1961 तक थे, टिल डेथ फर्स्ट सीएम बिहार। और उन्हें कंट्रीब्यूशंस की बात करें तो एजुकेशनल फील्ड में भी उन्हें काफी कंट्रीब्यूशंस है। जैसे अगर हम हायर सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं तो श्री बाबू वॉज बिहाइंड द एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द नेतरहाट स्कूल। नेतरहाट स्कूल जो इंडिया के विश्व स्तर पर 2-3 जो शिक्षण संस्थाएं हैं उसमें गिनती होती है नेतरहाट स्कूल की। वो झारखंड में है, उसकी स्थापना की नेतरहाट स्कूल की। फिर बीआईटी सिंदरी और जितने भी आप देख रहे हैं आपके जो भी हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस है टॉप मोस्ट के, बिहार यूनिवर्सिटी बनाने की बात है, सभी जगह में ये हमारे श्री बाबू थे। इन्होंने जमींदारी सिस्टम का भी अंत किया। जैसे इनके कंट्रीब्यूशंस को यदि हम देखते हैं तो मैंने बताया कि नेतरहाट रेजिडेंशियल स्कूल, फिर बीआईटी सिंदरी भी इन्होंने बनाया। फिर अब देखेंगे हमारा तो जमींदारी सिस्टम का एवोल्यूशन ऑफ जमींदारी सिस्टम। फिर कास्ट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को भी ये कम करने का प्रयास किए। अरे अच्छा प्रयास रहा बिहार को एक दिशा देने में श्री बाबू का एज द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर। अब थोड़ा डिटेल्स में आते हैं श्री बाबू के बारे में, श्री कृष्ण के बारे में। मैंने पहले ही बताया कि श्री बाबू बोलते थे, बिहार केसरी भी कहा जाता था। और इनका जन्म जो हुआ था 21 अक्टूबर 1887, 21 अक्टूबर 1887 को जन्म हुआ था। और he left this terrestrial world on 31st January 1961। फर्स्ट ईयर ऑफ जी बिहार मैंने बताया फ्रॉम 1946 टू 1961। यहाँ पर इसको करेक्ट कर लीजिए, 1946 अब देखते हैं ये कि डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद भी थे, उस समय डॉक्टर अनुग्रह नारायण सिन्हा भी थे, उनके कंटेम्पोररी थे। और मॉडर्न बिहार को बनाने में डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, डॉक्टर अनुग्रह नारायण सिन्हा के साथ श्री कृष्ण सिंह जी का भी काफी योगदान रहा। He was a reformer. Sri Babu was a reformer dedicated to social equality, सामाजिक समानता के लिए, known for leading the entry of Dalits into the Baidnath Dham temple, and being the first to abolish the जमींदारी system in Bihar. Very good point, याद रखिएगा इसको. Over his lifetime, he has spent around 8 years in prison for his role in India's freedom movement. ये स्वतंत्रता की लड़ाई में भी इनका एक्टिव रोल था. 8 साल की सजा भी इन्हें मिली थी. और he keeps very important place in the history of Bihar or in the history of India. अगर एजुकेशन अर्ली लाइफ की हम बात करते हैं तो पहले बताया गया था कि he was born on October 21st, 1887, Khanwa village by the Ganges in Bihar. Secretly hailed from a religious Bhumiyar Brahmin family. Tragically, he lost his mother to the plague at the age of 5 and was raised with simple and religious values. Dr. C.K. Singh received his early education in his village and he attended Jira School in Munger in 1906 में. He joined Patna College, affiliated with the University of Kolkata, where he studied law. After completing his education, Sri Babu began practicing law in 1915 in Munger. मुंगेर में वो प्रैक्टिस करते थे as a lawyer. He married and had 2 sons, Shiv Shankar Singh and Nandi Shankar Singh, who also served in Bihar's state ministry. Sri Babu and his role in freedom struggles. Shri K. Singh met Mahatma Gandhi in 1916. 1916 में महात्मा गांधी से मुलाकात हुई and his interaction deeply influenced Shri Babu. In 1921, 1921 में he gave up his legal career to join Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. Very important point. His commitment to the cause earned him the title of Bihar Kesari. After his first arrest in 1922, 1922 में पहले arrest के बाद. Over the years, he played pivotal role in India's independence struggle movement, including the Short Satyagraha in 1930 and the Quit India movement in 1942. Remember, during his multiple imprisonments, he faced severe hardships, including injuries, but remained resolute. He was imprisoned for rigorous terms after the civil disobedience movement and endured harsh conditions in Hazaribagh jail. A staunch supporter of farmers' rights, he collaborated with Swami Sahajanand Saraswati to establish the Bihar Pradesh Kisan Sabha. His nationalist spirit extended to disaster relief as seen during the 1934 Bihar earthquake. By the late 1930s, he was a member of the Legislative Council and the Central Assembly, representing Bihar's interest on a national level. Now, as the first Chief Minister of Bihar, in 1934, under the Government of India Act, C.P. Singh formed Bihar's first Congress Trade Ministry, but resigned in 1939 to protest British involvement in World War II without Indian contest. Post-independence, he was instrumental in leading Bihar's government from 1946. As the Chief Minister, he reformed the Bihar Knesi Act, remember, abolished Zamindari system, and worked tirelessly for social justice. And प्लीज याद रखिएगा, बिहार Knesi Act, नेक्स्ट जमींदारी सिस्टम एबोलिश किया, नेक्स्ट attempted for social justice. His policies emphasized rural development, ग्रामीण विकास के संदर्भ में भी इनका काम था, एजुकेशन, industrialization agrarian. He strongly opposed casteism and advocated for the upliftment of marginalized communities. Sri Krishna Singh played a crucial role in initiating landmark infrastructure projects during India's first and second 5-year plans, bringing industries like the Barauni oil refinery, remember Barauni, oil refinery, Shindri fertilizer plant, Bokaro steel plant in Bihar, and these initiatives spurred economic growth and made Bihar a leading state in development. Now, legacy of C.P. Singh. Shri Babu's contributions extended beyond governance. He donated 17,000 books, 17,000 किताबें, to the public library Munger, now known as Sri Krishna Seva Sadan. His initiatives in education and culture include establishing the Rajendra Chhatra Nivas in Kolkata, the Anugrah Narayan Sinha Institute of Social Study in Patna, and several institutions promoting arts and literature. His development projects from river valley schemes to thermal and hydropower plants transform Bihar landscape. Cultural landmarks like Buddha statue at Rajgir and Ravindra Bhavan in Patna further reflect his vision. In his honor, Sri Krishna Memorial Hall in Patna and the Sri Krishna Science Center, inaugurated in 1978, stand as testaments to his enduring legacy. Sri Krishna Singh remains a symbol of progress, justice, resilience, setting the path for a modern Bihar. So this way we have talked of Sri Babu, also called Gyan Kesari, Sri Krishna Singh, right? And just he abolished जमींदारी सिस्टम, कास्टलीज को समाप्त करने का प्रयास किया, सोशल जस्टिस लाने का प्रयास किया। ये रिवर प्रोजेक्ट को भी इन्होंने प्रमोट किया। फिर इंडस्ट्रीज को भी इन्होंने प्रमोट किया, फर्टिलाइजर प्लांट एक्सेट्रा। फिर एजुकेशन फील्ड की हम बात करते हैं तो मैंने बताया कि नेताहट स्कूल, सेकेंडरी, और इस तरीके से देखेंगे तो, और यदि हम इनके अगर रीजन की बात करें तो अराउंड 17,000 बुक्स he has donated. So every time he tried to go for the upliftment of the people of Bihar, development of Bihar. Really, his vision just to promote science and technology, just to promote education, just to stand for the social cause. Also, his contributions to India's freedom movement keep strong, meaning his contributions are still defined in different domains of India. So this is all about Sri Babu in brief. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.